Alright, and we got a puny penguin, a planet pathfinder, and a electromagnetic bagworm. Alright, Lord Archakion, our last pack. Let's pull a Draco sack. Blizzard Falcon, a Sonic Warrior, Shark Fortress, Mecha Phantom Beast, can't even see this shit, Stealth Ray, Battle Boxer, Lead Yoke, Starfish, Jewels of the Valiant, Brother the Fire Fist Wolf, and a Tactian Dragon Ruler of Pebbles. Alright, for our last pack. Only one foil so far, but it's okay. Let's see if we can get one more out of Abyss Rising. Metallizing Parasite, Solite, Hermit of Prophecy, Cashback, Heraldic Beast Burners Falcon. That sounds beast mode. Emperor of Prophecy, Heroic Advance, Mecha Sea Dragon Poseidon, Mermail Aside, and House Dustin. So only one foil, but still, it's a pretty good foil right here. Ignoble Knight of Black, Lasidian, I don't even know. Let's see. These are all our rares right here. Oh, well, you can count this one too. Our secret, the Fabled Cerebral. And then here's our 5 promos. So overall, not a bad 10, I should say. I'll be having another War of the Giants booster box coming up, and probably a Lord of Tachyon Galaxy booster box. So stay tuned for that. Like this video if you want to see more tin openings. I can always get the other 2, and we can see what we pull from those. This is AwesomeFuckers1 signing out.